sloping up. I'll undo that, start again. Slope it down. Minus 300 is my offset. Now 300 mil. 545. Before I connect into the main run, I'm just going to say ignore slope to connect. So it'll go from whatever that offset is there and connect into the main run. So ignore slope. Find your 45 degrees and the center line of the main run and connect.
All your fixtures go to the sort code. I'm sure that you can't have it. Shouldn't actually go to the main. Same with the hand there.
You can have a short length on track. So that's when you put the showers in. So really only one track in the
Okay, so we just undid that. Just going to add a P-trap.
It took me a while last time to find it. Family. Go to plumbing. I think it's actually under pipe. Sorry. Fittings. So pipe, fittings, HDPE for some reason. Butt welded. And this is the P-trap I found. The default P-trap I found. So just open that one. And now we can insert pipe, fittings, HDPE, butt welded, and P-trap. On both. So take the shower directly to the main run. I'd like to stick to this drawing so that we all end up doing the same thing.
So,
Okay. Pipe fitting. And so just place it in your view and rotate it around with your space bar and your these little icons here until it shows up. Slide on.
Yep. Just put it somewhere. Space bar.
It just comes up as a line.
Yeah, it's the resolution.
So once you've got that,
No, mine's not working either. Yeah. How'd you get rid of that? Yeah, this one's.
Those circle things.
This one's.
Yeah.
Must have been doing that. Which one? Okay, so to do that way.
Yeah, the bottom one.
This one? That's quite.
Even I couldn't figure it. Suddenly happened. You've got to use like these thingies up here.
Yeah.
The bottom one.
See, now they're down here.
Shit. Oh,
There you go.
I don't know it.
So then you use the other one, right?
Ah, yeah,
Okay.
space.
And
And
then mirror.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you mirror? Just a mirror command.
Sorry?
How do you mirror it?
I just use the mirror with draw axis. And
Yeah, just the normal mirror. Okay, good. Thanks, mate.
see how you've got that thing there?
Yeah.
If you go back to the floor plan, you think over here. What you actually want is that's something that you might want to do. Yeah, you've got to connect it to it. So you might want to undo what you did. So now you need to align that, I think, with the centre of that, the centre of that.
You couldn't drag it up. Yes,
Yeah.
it was. Maybe.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. So I don't know what mine is.
Well,
Where are you going? Oh, yeah. Go.
so you've got that. Click on that. Now I'm going to click on align. One sec. Minimize that screen. So now you've got align. Click on the zoom in on your white thing. Go to where? Alright, so start again. So click on the little guy. Click on align. Yeah, you want that set up. Now zoom in on the other guy. And move up.
No, I didn't. It's not attached to it. I'll be doing it.
Let's get one more time. Oh, so you just go and move the other one. So you want to undo that? Yeah. So it's there. Yep. So now click on the little guy here. Click on the line. Zoom in and get the second line of the track. That one there. Zoom right in on this one. Zoom in, don't click anything. Move your little mouse up a little bit. Now I use that point now, so you can click there. Zoom out. See how he's underneath? So when you go back to your section, if you hit Control Tab, you can switch between any of your boards without having to go on.
You looked it up already.
I'm gone. Okay. See it.
So now that's directly in line. So it's just a matter of trying to line. And I don't really know how to do it.
That bit, we're hooking up. Well, we've done it before.
That's it there.
Oh, yeah, you've done. Yeah. Yes, you've done. Good job. And then hook it up or.
So that actually go ahead and connect this trap to my dropper. Has everyone else connected their trap up yet? So if you haven't, select your trap and from the connector point, drag from the connector just onto the face of the dropper, and you see that inner line appear, which that drawing up, and you can go ahead and continue on with the other bits and pieces.
Yeah, it picks up in the middle of the document.
Is there?
I'll do the same thing with that guy there.
Yeah, how long do we make this pipe? Is it, you know, how low we should go with it? Just a bit. This one, this pipe here, how far down do we go?
I just went out 200,
Oh, yeah, a couple hundred.
just so that this top one is clear of the slab.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay, good. So, I mean, I can put the length somewhere in here, no.
I think that's connected to the trap.
I just put it, well, I started it from there. No, this trap here.
No, see that's hidden? There's a gap there.
See, oh, that gap there. Yeah, so you have to move it up. See, or,
Yeah, try that. Yep,
No.
now it's connected. Is
you
it?
reckon? Well,
Just tab.
there's a little gap, right?
Yeah.
Tab over it. I mean, just tab.
Tab. Well, it says that it's connected.
Does it say that, does it? Somewhere?
Well, if it all highlights.
Oh, yeah, got you now. Yeah. Let me just move this to... How do we get the length of this? Diameter down.
So that's
Yes,
high,
yeah.
that's 260, so it's roughly.
Yeah, okay, so you go with that. Okay. So you want a bit less, for example. Oh, yeah. It's 95, it says 100. Oh, that's the offset from the top.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the floor level, yeah.
Yeah, alright. But that's,
Yeah, you
that's
can
fine
make it a
then.
bit wider.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, that point right there.
Should be right.
150, good. Good number.
What I
So,
did.
so you just am I recording this?
So that way, 45.
Yeah, I mean, so if I to line it up, I had some trouble trying to get this to look like that.
Yeah.
Is it
Now it's
normal?
fine.
You just,
Yeah,
you just
it's
keep
fine.
clicking on the little circles and
Yeah.
right.
And then it's quite-
So here we just go until it.
From that connector,
Should pick
I
up
don't
from
know.
Yeah, so it picks up the midline because now it's a line, but it's not going to connect because you need to move from the connection point.
So I need to pick it up from here.
Yeah, and then you'll see
Hidden
either that line
there.
or a line
Horizontal
that
one. I
way.
can see most both, yeah.
And you'll see it jump.
Alright, I'm just jumping.
Does that connected?
Tab,
It's connected.
connected.
Okay.
Perfect.
For some reason
It looks a bit funny here now. Yeah,
Okay.
we missed this thing, see. It's weird, okay. But, oh. Okay. It's gonna be fun putting it in there.
Yeah, you've got
Yeah.
on the north slope.
Alright.
Where did you put the track?
Because that way
I don't
it goes to
know.
the one and then
it's-
sort of drops down, goes to the top of the pipe.
It's pretty close. This is not
Yeah.
quite over.
We
I
align
know,
this
with the-
main run with the central.
Yeah, I missed a little bit. So is it too late to move it down now? Is it?
You can try it.
So
So
move the
I
whole
would
little.
just select the pipe in,
Oh,
and
because
then
you need
go to
the
align,
corner,
Oh, just
you
align
need the,
and then
More with that.
yep,
and you need the connection.
Oh,
then it does it.
sugar, it does it. It's very good. Okay, cool. Thanks for that.
So you click on the little bell.
Continue on from here.
And is this alright? Don't put it what part of track you want to need. Yeah, so that's that one. Because it just did it over there and drawing the thing from there with the corner and then it put green. It was too close.
It's going to run out of room. But we might need to drop that down a little. Down to the next sink.
Okay.
Right, connect.
So you think it's coming from over here, then he'll come down and we'll think of you.
So that we're sure that we've got enough room there for our underfitting from the sink. Now we will just take a dropper from the sink. Let's go back to my section. All I'm going to do is copy this dropper, just select it, hit copy, and copy it from there to the center of the sink. If you can't see your sink in a section, you can just copy it anywhere and move it around later. So in my section view, it lines up with the sink, but if I go into my floor plan, obviously you just copy it across in line with my section. So now I can move that dropper to line up with the drain point on the sink. Keep that at 50 mil as well. So we're not actually connecting into the sink. Depends on the project. Sometimes the architect puts all the plumbing fixtures of the sinks into their model. Other times they prefer the hydraulics guys to do it. Just depends on who you work with and what they prefer. So we're just going to pretend that we are connected to the sink. same process as before. Put another P-trap on the bottom of that run. I'll just copy this one or click it and right click, create a similar, hover over this dropper again. And I'll drag that one up so that it sits inside the cupboard. Yeah. Find that one out. It might be fine. I get confused. Maybe I'll grab the feature. Okay, so it's going to be feedback at the bottom of the sink. Once that trap's connected to the dropper on the sink, let's go to my floor plan. And rotate that around. So that I've got some room to drop down and connect into my floor plan. So from the end connection on the P-trap, go draw pipe. Keep the diameter the same. And we'll drop down, make the offset, let's make it minus 500 for now. And play around with that in our section. Minus 500 is a bit low, so I'll make that, in your section view, just select that fitting and make it minus 400. And that should give us enough room to go from this fitting into the dropper. Hopefully. Yep. I'm going to push up more, sorry. Minus 200. Just to be sure. So if we want to keep to this design drawing, go 45-degree straight to the trap. Looks like this diameter is actually 40. So to change that, just hover over one of your pipes, press tab, and it should highlight the whole system. Select that and change your diameter to 40. And then while you've got that selected, just rotate that 45 degrees. So I'll go up to my rotate. I'm going to place the center of rotation up here. I'll select place. That allows me to choose where to rotate from.
Yeah, I think that's 300 new there.
Now I'm going to connect from this point into the dropper on the floor trap. So have a look at your section. Looks like there's enough room. You can put a fitting in there. Back to the floor plan. Go to draw pipe. And pick up the dropper on the floor trap. With the structure.
And how can you rotate it again?
So to rotate that, just hover over one of your pipes, press tab, select that, go to your rotate button, and then center of rotation, select place, and use the dropper on the sink as your point. Click that, and then rotate. Click to the side, and rotate around the 45 degrees. With the system from the sink, you're going to draw a detail line, just type DL, draw a line from the dropper just past the floor trap. And now we can move our floor trap to the line with that detail line. That means we should be able to just connect straight into that dropper without changing the angle. I'm going to move that system over to intersect with my detail line. You all okay with that? Okay, so I'll connect this here to my dropper now. Okay, so I'll come around and make sure that we're all lined up with the center of the track.
Did you draw that one? Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll start it.